Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare laddu. To begin, ensure you have all your ingredients measured and ready. You'll need 1 cup of besan, also known as gram flour, which forms the base of our laddu. Additionally, have half a cup of rich ghee, 3/4 cup of finely powdered sugar, and a small pinch of aromatic cardamom powder. These simple components will come together to create a delightful treat. Next, we'll focus on roasting the besan to perfection. Start by melting half a cup of ghee in a heavy-bottomed pan over a low flame. Once melted, add the 1 cup of besan, stirring continuously to prevent burning. This crucial step takes about 15 to 20 minutes. You'll know it's ready when it releases a nutty aroma and transforms into a beautiful light golden brown hue. Now, let's bring all the flavors together. Take the roasted besan mixture off the heat and allow it to cool down for a few minutes until it's just warm to the touch. Then, incorporate the 3/4 cup of powdered sugar and the pinch of cardamom powder. Mix everything very well, ensuring the sugar is evenly distributed. Finally, take small, manageable portions of the mixture and gently roll them into perfectly round lattice. To finish, allow your delicious lattice to cool and set properly. Arrange them on a plate and let them rest for at least 30 minutes. This helps them firm up and hold their shape beautifully. Once completely cool, transfer them to an airtight container. Stored at room temperature, these delightful treats will stay fresh and enjoyable for up to 7 to 10 days, ready to be savored whenever you wish.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.